Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Fampay and signing in with the registered mobile number. Enter OTP to authenticate. Once you're on the home screen, tap Profile or Settings immediately to access security options. You need to confirm your device via SMS or biometric prompt. This prevents unauthorized PIN checks. Make sure network is stable, because failed OTPs block the next steps. If prompted for verification documents, follow the on-screen flow now so you can reach the PIN section without interruption. You then select Security and choose the Check or Reveal PIN option. The app never shows the PIN directly without fresh verification. Once done, authenticate again using OTP or biometric. This confirms it's really you. The app may require a short KYC recheck or pattern entry. Comply and wait for confirmation. If you intend to change the PIN, pick a new one you can remember, but that isn't obvious. Make sure to read any warning messages before proceeding to avoid lockouts. You finish by confirming the check or PIN change and noting the confirmation screen. Log the timestamp if needed. If the app denies access or shows a lockout, use the Forgot PIN flow, which sends OTP to the registered number, or contact Fampay support with your user ID and last OTP time. One key troubleshooting tip: if OTPs fail repeatedly, switch networks or toggle airplane mode to refresh carrier routing before contacting support. This often resolves delivery issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.